What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new restock video and I'm pretty excited because we have some pretty fun stuff lined up for you all. Do not forget the shop opens at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so if you live in a different time zone, make sure that you try to convert it so that you are early for the restock because we have some fun things planned. Like I said, the first 15 people who actually place an order are actually going to get a free 8-ounce slime, and I will make sure to announce the first 15 people's order numbers on my Instagram so that y'all know if you're getting the free slime or not. And then also, if you are the largest order of this week, honey, you are going to get a free 32-ounce slime, so that is pretty cool as well. I'm just so excited to be back. I feel like it's been a hot minute, so let's get into it. This is Chanel number 2, Obvi. She is my bestseller, very thick and glossy, just looks like bubblegum, smells like bubblegum, and is amazing. It's actually scented like Bubblicious bubblegum. It's just one of those slimes that is like a staple in your slime collection because she is thick, she is glossy, she is holdable, she is everything you need her to be. The bubble pops are amazing, and she is just great. Next up, we have Baja Blast, which is my second bestseller. This one is an icy cloud slime hybrid, so just think of like an icy slime and like a cloud dough, I guess you could say. It's really nice because it has that web effect when you pull on it, almost like a little baby drizzle is what I like to call it, and it's just really fun to play with, super holdable as well. This one here is scented like a Baja Blast soda. If you haven't had one of those from Taco Bell, you should definitely go there now, drive up and skirt and go get one because it's so good. It actually is a Mountain Dew soda, but it has like tropical hints to it, like pineapple and blue raspberry. It's just really good. You definitely need to try it, and you need to snatch this slime too. Okay. Mud Mask is my third bestseller and completes the big three. That's what I like to call my bestsellers. This one is another hybrid slime. This one is a hybrid between a cloud cream and a butter slime, so it's very creamy and buttery, super sizzly as well, and it's scented like green tea lemon. It smells really good, and I just love it. It has sizzles for days, and it's just amazing, honey. Unicorn Skin is a new slime to the shop, and this one is so beautiful. You probably saw me make this if you watched my restock with me video that I posted. You should definitely check that out if you haven't yet. Anyways, this one is a really nice clear slime. It's unscented and it has a beautiful blue shift to it, but it's a pink clear slime, so it's really cool. Under certain lightings, it gets that blue shift, and you can really tell. You couldn't really tell with my studio lights here, unfortunately, but trust, when you get this, it's gonna be so beautiful. It also has some color shifting glitter in there as well, like holographic to blue. It's just really nice. And of course, there are some unicorn skin glitters in there as well, because what would unicorn skin be without unicorn skin? Hello. So yeah, just really thick, nice, and stretchy as well, and unscented, honey. Introducing a new super cool duo to the shop. This is called NASA Nummies, and I want to give a really quick shout out to Bill Dacus here on YouTube for helping me name these duos here because I just love the name so much, so thank you. It comes with 10 ounces of slime in both, so 20 ounces of slime total, and it's super cool. This first one here is called Astronaut Ice Cream, and it is inspired obviously by Astronaut Ice Cream. It's basically like freeze-dried ice cream, so it's like super crunchy. So I decided to make this slime a microflow, and it's layered chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, and it won't mix, so that's a pretty cool thing. It is a super crunchy microflow scented like Neapolitan ice cream, obviously. And the second slime in the NASA Nummies duo is moon cheese, and this will also be sold separately as well, just because we made a lot more moon cheese than we did the astronaut ice cream. But this one is a really nice thick and glossy base slime scented like cheesecake, because I have yet to find a cheese scent that I really like. And then there's also some jumbo foam beads in there as well, and they're textured so that it looks like little cheese puffs. And it's just really cool. It reminds me of the moon and cheese and, you know, that cartoon kind of feel that when you look at the moon, it's made of cheese or something. So, yeah, I love this one so much. This one's probably my favorite, not gonna lie, just because those foam beads give it a lot of texture and it's not hard to play with. There's probably like 6 or 7 foam beads in here, and you can see that it's still really nice to play with. Bomb Pop is back. I love this slime so much, and I'm so happy that we are bringing it back. It is a layered icy cloud slime hybrid. It's the same texture as Baja Blast, so if you like Baja Blast, you're gonna love Bomb Pop. This one here was a bestseller last year during our summer season, so of course we decided to bring it back, but we made the colors even more vibrant than ever. I love this slime so much because it has 3 different scents to it as well. So the blue is smelling, oh my god, the blue is scented like blue raspberry, the red is scented like cherry, and the white is scented like lemon, just like a real Bomb Pop, and it smells like it looks like it. It's so fun to mix and just amazing. If you were wondering why in the beginning it looked a little bit unfilled, it's just because we had the larger containers. Those screw top lids hold more than 8 ounces, so we just wanted to make sure that we were giving y'all the full 8 ounces, you know what I mean? So yeah. Almond Joy Thicky is a new slime to the shop. This one is definitely one of my favorites. This Restock because Almond Joy candies are my favorite, and I can't always have them because they make me break out. The struggle is so real, but this smells exactly like an Almond Joy, so I can get my fix with none of the guilt. You heard me? It's so good. There's just a little bit of foam beads in there just to give it, you know, that look of an Almond Joy wrapper, and I just really love this slime, and you definitely need to try to snatch this one for sure. This next slime is also a new slime to the shop. This one is called Shmoney, obviously inspired by Cardi B and the way that she says money. It is a really vibrant green colored cloud cream. There's no clay in it, but it's super creamy and amazing. And there's also topped with gold leaf. It's scented like cucumber melon as well, and it's just so pretty to mix. I love this slime so much. Oh, that was my Cardi B impression. What did you think? Anyways, I love this slime. Try to snatch. Yes, that was a phone call. I am so sorry about that. And lastly, for the restock video, we have Dole Whip Sandwich. This is a new DIY clay slime, and it comes deconstructed. It's super cool. So you basically get 2 8-ounce containers. One of them contains a little bit of the slime, and the other one contains 2 clay cookies for your sandwich, and then also some sprinkles. They're Mickey sprinkles, obviously, because Dole Whip is from Disneyland, so you gotta have Mickey around, you know? So it comes with 2 cookies in the deli container, and then in the screw top, oh my gosh, in the screw top lid, it comes with the slime. We didn't fill the container all the way. That way you can assemble the slime in the container, obviously, if you want to. Like, you can put the cookie at the bottom, then add some slime, and then another cookie at the top, or you can just completely take it out like I did and construct it that way. It's just super pretty. This is actually a new treat at Disneyland, apparently, so I can't wait to go and try it. So yeah, it smells exactly like a Dole Whip as well, so it's pretty cool. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed the slimes and found something that you would like to purchase. If you did, comment down below. Let me know what you plan on snatching from this restock. Do not forget, first 15 customers are getting a free 8-ounce. It's going to be completely random, and it's not going to be a slime that you purchase, obviously. So, you know, I'll make sure to throw in something extra that you don't already have. And yeah, and the largest order will get a 32-ounce slime as well. So that's pretty cool. So make sure you plan on snatching. Set your alarms for 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, honey. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!